Question number 3. To what temperature must a gas at 273 Kelvin be heated in order to double its volume and pressure? Step 1, write down the parameters. And we have T1 equals to 273 Kelvin. Now, when you look at this, is as though we are not giving any other thing. But there was a mention of the volume and the pressure. That is something. And there is a mention of doubled. So let's take it this way, that you have a gas at a particular pressure that we don't know, and at a particular volume that we don't know. But then the question is asking you, at what temperature, without whatever volume and whatever pressure, be doubled? Now, this is what we're going to do. So let's claim our unknown P1 X and our unknown V1 Y. Now, the question says, to what temperature? Now, that means we are looking for T2, question mark. To what temperature must a gas at this be heated in order to double V? So, in this particular temperature, V1 is doubled and P1 is also doubled. So, that means our P2 will be 2 times P1. And our V2 will be 2 times V1. And then since I made our P1 to be X and our V1 to be Y, so our P2 will be equals to 2 times X, while our V2 is equals to 2 times Y. So P2 is 2X, while V2 is 2Y. Alright, so from this equation, we realize that we have 3 different parameters. We have the pressure, we have the temperature, and we have the volume. And that is the parameters that constitute the general gas equation. And the general gas equation says that it's a combination of the Boyle's law and the Charles law. So it is P1 V1 all over T1 equals to P2 V2 all over T2. This is our general gas equation. And we are looking for T2. So the next step is to make T2 subject of the formula. We make T2 subject of the formula. So T2 equals to, if you cross multiply this, you have P2 V2 T1 all over P1 V1. So let's fix in our parameters. T2 equals to, what is our P2? 2x times, what is our V2? 2y times, what is our T1? 273 all over, what is our P1 x times, what is our V1 y? So x will cancel x, y will cancel y. So we have our T2 equals to 2 times 2 times 273, which will give us 1092